Hi everyone, today I'm going to do one brand tutorial and this is like a fairly new brand and I'm going to use it for the first time, so this will be kind of first impression as well. So as usual, I am starting with a clean moisturized face and the brand is Fashion Fever, and so the first thing I'm using is dual cover powder with cream. So this is a very unique product and it is multitasking. It has a concealer or foundation textured cream, and then you can see there's a powder as well to set, and then you also have a sponge to apply the product. To make it easy. So firstly I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm gonna take the cream product and I'm gonna just correct my under eye dark circles. It also have a mirror, so that's awesome. So I'm just gonna apply to my under eye dark circles and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. The texture is really creamy and really blendable. I didn't had any problem blending this cream product up, and you can see it is covering my dark circles pretty well as well. Also, I'm gonna apply some onto my acne spots and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely to hide them. Now I'm taking the sponge it came along and I'm picking the product from the tub and I'm applying it on my face really nicely and I'm blending it really nicely. I'm covering all my face with this foundation and I am using the damp sponge, not the dry, because damp sponge blends the foundation much easily than the dry one. So I am blending it really nicely to avoid any harsh lines. Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna. Also gonna blend to my neck as well, again to avoid harsh lines and to make my skin look even tone. And now I'm gonna use the powder, and for the powder I'm using my powder brush only, and I find the color of the powder a little bit darker. You can see my skin started looking a little more tan when I applied this powder, but I'm just gonna blend it really well to make it work. I wish the powder could have been the same color, so it would have been beautifully merged into my skin. But anyways, next I'm gonna use a clear glow CC stick. It's more like a highlighter stick. It's like a cream highlighter, so I'm just gonna apply to my under eye area, and I'm also gonna apply to my eyelids, my bridge of nose, cupid's bow, chin, and wherever I want to highlight. And I'm applying this with a brush, but it also have this like a sponge tip along with to blend, but this was like really tiny and it was taking a lot of time to blend this foundation, not foundation, highlighter with this sponge tip. So I took my favorite brush from pack, this is 003, and I started blending with this and it made my job much easier. Then I took the same powder and I applied to set my under eye area, my eyelids, but I took very little because it was a dark shade. Then I took the Fashion Fever Kajal and then I took the angled brush and I just applied the Kajal to my eyebrows with an angled brush. I am actually filling my brows with it, just using the angle brush, and with very light strokes I'm just filling it in really nicely because I don't have any eyebrow product with this brand, so I used the Kajal. So next I'm using their Lovely Lips liquid lipstick, and I didn't had any eye product like eyeshadow, so I thought of using this product as like a multitask product. So I'm drawing a liner with this liquid lipstick. Yes, you can use liquid lipsticks as color bright liners, so I'm using a liner brush to apply this lipstick as a liner. So you can see it is giving quite nice pigmentation. I was very happy how it turned out. So this is like a red liner. Then I went with a normal liner, that is Cat Eyes liquid liner from their range, and I just applied this black liner to the outsides of my liner, like I drew the wings with this liner, and rest of the liner was red. Then I'm using the mascara. This is dual extent mascara. One side is bigger, the other side is smaller. So I'm using the bigger side for my upper lashes. This mascara was I think waterproof because it was quite difficult to remove it with my normal products. So I think it's a waterproof mascara. And the smaller side, I'm sorry, the smaller side is really nice. I really loved how it worked on my lower lashes. Look at my lower lashes, these are looking gorgeous. And then I'm gonna use the same liquid lipstick as a blush. So I'm gonna take a little bit onto my fingers and I'm gonna start blending to my cheeks while applying a liquid lipstick as a blush. You can see that it can look really horrible because it's not blended properly, and it can be like too much of the product. So I have a tip for that, how you can fix it. So take your normal powder brush and just start blending over it. You know, the powder on the brush will blend the blush really nicely and make it more subtle and wearable. And now it's time for lips, and for lips I'm going to use the same lipstick. This is Lovely Lips liquid lipstick. It's a gorgeous color. I will be writing all the information about the products in the description box. Go and check it out. And this brand is really fairly new to India. This is like a Middle Eastern brand basically, and recently it's launched in like Mumbai. They have their store, and here's my complete look. And yeah, I hope you liked this look. Talking more about the brand, I would like to tell you that this brand is available in Mumbai only as of now. They don't have any stores all over India, and they're not online as well as for now, but soon maybe in future they will be. But if you're from Mumbai, you can just go and check out their stores. And yeah, that's it for the video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care.